Let me tell you about my buddy Mike. He saw a cheap pergola kit at the store, thought it would look great against his back wall, and jumped right in. No permits, no fancy prep. 6 months later, after a couple storms, the whole thing started pulling away from the siding, and water was sneaking behind the ledger board. His walls got damaged, and fixing it cost way more than building it properly would have. Stories like Mike's are super common, and that's why we're breaking down these mistakes one by one. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 biggest mistakes people make when they attach a pergola to their house. We'll walk through exactly what goes wrong, why it happens, and how to do it right so your outdoor space actually lasts. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to avoid turning a fun project into an expensive headache. Mistake number 10. Ignoring proper site preparation and drainage. Lots of people pick a spot because it looks nice without thinking about water flow or ground conditions. When you attach to the house, poor drainage means rain runs right toward your foundation or under the posts. That leads to settling, cracks, and even mold inside your walls over time. Start by checking the slope of your yard. Water should flow away from the house, not toward it. Many folks skip grading the area or adding gravel for drainage. This is huge because attached pergolas direct more water toward the connection point. Dig test holes to see your soil type too. Sandy soil drains well but needs deeper footings, while clay holds water and can heave in winter. One guy I know built his pergola over a low spot after rain. Every storm, puddles formed under the posts and the structure shifted. Now he has to redo the footings. Always plan for gutters or extended downspouts to carry water far away. Measure twice, dig once. Proper prep takes extra time up front, but stops big problems later. Think about sun and wind patterns too, so your pergola actually gets used instead of becoming a soggy mess. Mistake number 9. Choosing the wrong materials for your climate. People often grab whatever wood is on sale without considering weather. Pressure-treated pine might seem cheap, but in wet or humid areas it warps fast when attached to the house. Cedar or redwood holds up better naturally, while composite or aluminum stays strong with less maintenance. The issue is expansion and contraction. Cheap materials move a lot with temperature changes, stressing the ledger board connection to your house. This causes gaps where water sneaks in. Studies show that untreated wood in coastal areas can rot within 2 to 3 years if not sealed right. Always use corrosion-resistant hardware too, like stainless steel bolts, because regular nails rust and weaken everything. I remember a neighbor who used basic lumber in a snowy region. The weight of snow plus material sag pulled the whole thing down on one side. It looked great for a summer, but failed by winter. Factor in your local conditions. UV rays fade some woods, while freeze-thaw cycles crack concrete footings if they're not deep enough. Pick materials rated for your zone. It costs more at first, but saves replacements down the road. Your pergola should feel like part of the house, not a temporary add-on. Mistake number 8. Skipping professional engineering or load calculations. DIYers often guess at beam sizes and spacing. When attached, the house wall takes half the load, so wrong calculations means sagging or collapse during wind or snow. Local codes usually require specific spans and sizes based on your area. Without engineering, you risk overstressing the attachment points. Wind can create uplift that pulls boards right off the wall. One report mentioned that improperly sized rafters fail 3 times more often in storms. Always check snow load ratings too. Some places get heavy accumulation that crushes weak structures. A friend built his without help and the beams bowed after one heavy rain. He had to reinforce everything mid-project. Hire an engineer for drawings if your build is over a certain size. It gives peace of mind and helps with permits. Don't assume standard kit plans work for your house. Every wall and roof is different. This step turns a risky project into a solid, safe outdoor room you'll enjoy for decades. Mistake number 7. Bad post footings and anchoring. Many people pour shallow concrete or skip footings altogether. When attached to the house, The posts need to handle serious weight and wind forces. Shallow footings shift in frost or wet soil, making the whole structure lean away from the wall. Dig at least as deep as your local frost line, often 3 to 4 feet in colder places. Use sonotubes and rebar for strength. Post anchors bolted into the concrete prevent rot and movement. Skipping this leads to cracks in the ledger connection over time. One homeowner shared how his posts sank after a wet spring, cracking the siding where it met the house. Rebuilding cost him big. Always compact the soil well before pouring. For attached pergolas, make sure posts are plumb and level with the ledger. This creates even load distribution. Strong footings are like the foundation of your house. Cut corners here and everything suffers. Mistake number 6. Wrong ledger board installation. The ledger is the main connection to your house, but people often bolt it incorrectly. They miss studs, use weak fasteners, or forget to level it perfectly. This causes uneven weight that pulls away from the wall. Use a double ledger or proper flashing tape behind it. Lag bolts or structural screws must hit solid framing every 16 inches or per code. Many skip removing siding properly, trapping moisture. A common story is the ledger rotting from behind because water got trapped. This hidden damage can spread to your home structure. Always use a spacer or rain screen gap for airflow. Check with a level constantly during install. Proper ledger work makes the pergola feel rock solid instead of shaky. It takes patience, but prevents years of headaches. Mistake number 5. Poor flashing and water sealing. This mistake hides for years until mold shows up inside. People attach without proper metal flashing under the siding and over the ledger. Rain runs down the wall and straight behind the connection. Use step flashing or counter flashing where the pergola meets the house. Seal every penetration with high-quality caulk made for outdoors. Ice and water shield membrane behind the ledger is a must in rainy areas. I saw a build where missing flashing caused $8,000 in wall repairs after 2 years. Water damage spreads fast once it starts. Extend flashing well above and to the sides of the attachment. Test with a hose after building. Good sealing keeps your house dry and your pergola looking new. Don't rush the step. It's what separates pro results from disasters. Mistake number 4. Attaching to the wrong part of the house. Screwing into siding, fascia, or trim instead of framing is super common. Those parts aren't load-bearing. Wind or snow load rips them right off. Find the studs or rim joist with a finder. For brick or stucco, use special anchors. Vinyl siding needs careful cutting and replacement pieces. One family attached to decorative trim and the whole side pulled away in a storm. Always verify what's behind the exterior. This mistake turns a simple project into structural danger. Take time to expose framing if needed and reinforce. Your house walls must stay strong while supporting the new addition. Mistake number 3. Forgetting about gutters and roof overhangs. People mess this up all the time because they focus only on the pretty beams and forget the practical stuff already on the house. Gutters and roof overhangs create real headaches when attaching a pergola. Many just try to cut into the gutter or build right under the existing roof line without planning, which causes water to back up, leak behind the new structure, and rot your soffit or walls over time. The smart way is to measure everything carefully first. You might need to reroute the gutters, add diverter pieces, or raise the pergola height so rafters clear the overhang cleanly. Proper flashing where the new roof ties in is key to directing water away instead of trapping it. In areas with lots of rain, this mistake leads to constant drips and expensive hidden repairs inside the house. I talked to a homeowner who ignored his gutters completely. During the first heavy storm, water pooled and poured straight into the connection point, damaging his ceiling inside. He ended up tearing out part of the build and spending extra on new gutter sections. Plan the slope of your pergola roof to match, or work with the house roof so everything drains nicely. Think about snow sliding off too. You don't want it dumping right onto your new cover. Taking time here makes the whole setup feel seamless and professional, like it was always meant to be there. Don't let this sneaky issue ruin your project. Mistake number 2, skipping permits and inspections. This one surprises a lot of people because they assume a pergola is too small to need official approval. But when it's attached to the house, most towns and cities treat it like a real addition that affects your home's structure. Skipping permits can lead to big fines, problems when you sell the house, or even insurance companies refusing to cover damage if something goes wrong in a storm. Start by calling your local building department right away. Ask about rules for height, setbacks from property lines, wind loads, snow loads, and how to attach safely. They often require detailed drawings showing the ledger connection and footings. Getting inspections at key points catches mistakes early, like weak bolts or bad flashing, before you cover everything up. One couple I know built theirs without permits to save time and money. The inspector saw it later, slapped them with a $2,000 fine, and made them partially dismantle it for fixes. It delayed their backyard parties by months and created stress with the neighbors. Permits protect you, make sure the build is safe for your family, and can even increase your home's value. Don't risk it. The paperwork is boring, but worth it. Do this step first, and the rest of the project goes smoother with confidence that everything meets the rules. Mistake number 1. Believing a cheap DIY kit is good enough for house attachment. Here's the big surprise that shocks most people. Those inexpensive big box kits are almost never engineered for safe attachment to your actual house. They look easy on the shelf, but once mounted, hidden weaknesses show up fast. What surprises folks is that the simple weekend project often ends up costing more in repairs than hiring a pro from the beginning, sometimes revealing that your home's warranty or insurance gets voided without proper engineering stamps. These kits rarely account for real ledger loads, regional weather extremes, or your specific wall construction. People assume it'll hold until a storm proves otherwise, sometimes causing sudden partial collapses that damage siding, windows, or even interiors. The shock comes when inspections fail or insurance won't cover water damage because the attachment wasn't code compliant. Instead of saving money, you risk safety and big regrets. The real eye-opener? Many discover after failure that a properly engineered attached pergola actually boosts home resale value by thousands because it creates usable living space. Don't gamble with kits. Get custom advice or plans. This one mistake changes everything about how safe and enjoyable your backyard feels long-term. There you have it, the top 10 mistakes that turn pergola dreams into headaches. From site prep and permits to proper flashing and materials, doing it right means a strong, dry, beautiful addition that lasts. Avoid these and you'll enjoy your space for years without surprise repairs. Click on the next video popping up to learn how to build a freestanding pergola the smart way. Subscribe for more backyard tips.